Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Halima. If you're new to my channel, welcome. So today I'm going to be doing something a bit different to the everyday kind of makeup tutorial that I do. Okay, I don't know if you guys can guess what I'm going to do today, but basically I'm going to be using this beautiful package I got from VKK. It's a hair care curling set, and they sent me this to try, so I'm gonna use it to curl my hair today. So yes, so I'll show you guys what is within the box. So it's from VKK and it's a hair curling set. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this beautiful gift set that they sent me. I'm so excited. Okay, so I've not even used it yet, it's still brand new in the box. So within the box it contains the actual hair curling set. So I'm going to show you individually what they are, and then we're going to go ahead and set it up and get this hair all curled up and looked a bit glam. Okay, so this is one of the curling iron, and I think this is, I'm not sure, they come in different kind of sizes. So this appears to be a bigger size, so let's have a look. Oh right, there's a bigger one. This is the biggest, I suppose it's the biggest, and this is the medium, and I guess this will be the smaller version of it. And within the package we have the actual unit that would get the curling iron to work effectively. So it comes in, as you guys can see, it's got the hole in there to mount the iron, the curling iron. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So as you guys can see, that's the biggest size. Right, and then within the package, what else we've got in here? I think we've got the extension boxes here. This is the extension cable, and it's got the UK socket to use. So that's that extension. And then within the box we've got the gloves to protect your hand from the heat. So yeah, this is all new, guys. The VKK sent me this to try, to sample it to and give you a review. So hopefully I'm gonna like it. So this is the gloves. So I guess it's a one size fits all. So you just basically protect the hand from the heat up, you know. So this is it. So that's the gloves. Can't even get my hands to it. So this is the gloves to protect your hands. Okay, and then within the box it's got a comb as well. It's got this black comb with the tail, so easy to, you know, part in the hair, and you know, and so on and so forth. So, and within the box it's got a manual. It's got a manual that will help you to set it up, and instructions and things like that. And it's got this beautiful kind of card that illustrates the company. We'd love to hear from you, you know, things like that. Best solution for your hair. It has got like information pack about VKK, and that's the back as well. I love this image. It's such a cute image with the flowers. Yeah, so that's information. So when you purchase this box, when you purchase this curling tool, you get all these accessories that come with it. Okay, so the next step is how I'm going to demonstrate to you how effective this hair curling tongue is, VKK. You can get this from Amazon website, and I'm gonna leave all the information in my description box below, and perhaps with a discount code that you guys can get some pennies off if you wish to buy. Okay, so yeah, so we've got the clippers to clip the hair away from the face. So I'll go ahead and open this. So brand new. So this will just hold the hair if you want to hold it in place, if you want to, you know, keep it away from the face when you're rolling the hair. So we've got the clippers, So I'm gonna now demonstrate to you guys how to use this curler and to get this, you know, hair looking glammed and all curled. Okay, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. I've gone ahead to plug it into the socket, and when you do plug it in, you get the dial here, the on button. Right at the moment I've turned it off because I want to show you guys what it is. You get the, you know, the display, that display on and off. It has got the VKK logo, and also when you mount, I'm going to use a medium size because I just want a very tight curls. So when you mount it, you got the holes in there. Just literally just drop it in there like that, and then I don't know if you guys can see it on the side here, it's got like the lock, like on and off kind of lock there, so you guys can see, to unlock it and to lock it back in place so it doesn't move. So I'm just going ahead and lock it. So I've turned it down, as you guys can see, it's now locked. It's not on, by the way, so I just want to show you guys. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it on, you know, just hold on to that one, and it should come up and it says 37 Celsius, as it says there. So it's going to be really hot, and it automatically goes up itself. I don't know if you guys can see it. Look, it's going up, the dial is going up. Yeah, so basically that's what it is. So it goes to the temperature that is relevant to, you know, to heat it up. Okay, so it's still going up, the dial is still increasing. Okay guys, so that's it. I'm gonna put the gloves to protect myself. I've really already kind of like straightened, kind of brush the hair and all those things. I'm gonna use this Pantene smooth silk oil just to keep the hair a bit glossy, you know, to prevent it from tangling. So basically this is like it contains argan dry oil, it's good for frizzy dull hair. You just put it in when you're gonna straighten your hair or put some sort of, it's like a heat protective serum. This hair is 24 inches. It's really long. Beautiful made. I love it. I love the texture of the hair. So something like this would do. So I'll brush the hair, and then once I finish brushing, I'm gonna use this small comb just to make sure it's no tangling anywhere. Smooth every part of it. From the back. So this is it guys. I'm now going to do it section by section. So I'm going to part in this part, and then put this clip up. Use the clip up. This is the first time I'm doing my hair on like on a display, like on YouTube. Visualize on a display on YouTube. So this is it. Okay guys, so I put the gloves on. The curling iron is nicely heated up to 190 Celsius, as you guys can see from the display dial. And put my gloves on to protect my hand. So I'm now going to go ahead and start curling my hair. I'm so looking forward to how beautiful this curls is going to come out to look. I'm so excited guys. Yeah, really excited. This is my first time doing a hair sort of tutorial. Oh my god guys, look at that curls. Look how beautiful these curls are. So beautiful and bouncy. Wow. I have not even finished, but I can see something beautiful happening. So I'll go ahead and do the back as well. I just want to start from the down before I move up, so that everything is well curled up. So I just use a comb that came with the set, and you know, comb everything in nicely. Okay guys, this thing is really hot, so when you're using it, you please make sure you wear your gloves, because boy, you don't want to burn your fingers. You don't want to end up burning your fingers like how I burned mine. Honestly, you don't want to do that. So that is done. I like these curls. I don't know if you guys can see. If I come up a little bit, you can see that curls. It's beautiful. So that's that. And then tongue actually do give a nice juicy curls. Guys, see the curls. See how beautiful these curls are. I'm so excited and I can't wait to finish it and show you guys. Guys, these curls are coming along so pretty. They're coming along so pretty. So I have done this side, so it's remaining this side now. So let's get going. I'm loving the curls so far. I love this kind of wave. It's beautiful. It looks very natural. So yeah, now I'm gonna do this side. So the same principle. I'm just gonna parting a little bit and comb it. And then I actually forgot, I wanted to put a bit of smooth mousse. So I'm using this John Frieda luxury volume mousse. I actually brought it with me to use it, but I forgot to put some. So I'm just gonna put a little bit and to get it into the hair, because I really want that curls to really be bouncy. This mousse smells really refreshing. Sorry guys, so I'm gonna roll the opposite side. Oh my god, this is so hot. It's extremely hot, guys. And now let go. Look at that curls, guys. Look at that curls. Look how beautiful these curls are. So take the clipper out again and take a bit, comb it. Take some of the mousse and use it to work in the hair, and then roll with the job. Loving the curls, bit of the mousse, smooth into the hair. Let's look at that. Look at this. Look at these bouncy curls. Love them. They're cute. Yeah, out of the way. Put a comb here. Just comb. Take a bit of mousse. Guys, I'm almost done with the curling the hair. I'm just left with the small parts. So far, I'm loving these curls. I think these curls are so juicy. It's beautiful. This VKK is really good. I love this curling tone. I love it. This juicy curls, guys. Look at this juicy curls. VKK curly sets is definitely worth the money, guys. I'm gonna leave the info in the descriptions below, like I promised, and a discount code for you guys to get some money off. You can purchase it from Amazon, and it's worldwide delivery. So yeah, I love mine. It's really hot. You can travel with it anywhere you want to. And I'm gonna go ahead to finish the look. And so guys, I finished curling the hair, and I really like the look of it actually, guys. I really love how bouncy the curls are. So I'm gonna go ahead and you know, volumize the curls a little bit, comb it out to get it all waved, and you know, so yeah, just gonna brush it down. Oh, look at this beautiful hair. This curl is, the curler set is definitely worth the money. Check the wave, guys. Check these waves. Yeah. Guys, this is it. I love this. I love this hair. I love the curls. So I'm just gonna bring my camera down for you guys to see how juicy these curls are. They're really bouncy. See how beautiful these curls are? Yeah, definitely. Look at that waves. And it's all from the VKK. Yeah. This is it. How beautiful, juicy, bouncy the curls are. Basically love this bouncy, juicy curls, guys. They're beautiful. Yeah. Check these curls, guys. Yeah, this curls is definitely the one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna conclude on my video now. So I hope you guys like this hair curling demonstration using the VKK. I'm so glad that you guys take the time to watch this video. Please, if you like this video, please comment, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, the more the merry. So grateful, guys. Thank you so much, and I will catch up with you guys next week. Bye.